Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. In today's video, we have an unboxing. Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, come join the family. We talk about everything bag related from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And let's get into this unboxing. Okay everybody, so as I stated, we do have an unboxing. And once I open it and everything, I'll let you guys know why I picked this item up and also where I picked it up and all of those extra things. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Let me get my box cutter. I usually don't like cutting too deep because I don't want to cut anything, so I usually cut like pretty light on the top because I don't want to damage anything. So let's see if I could get into it without any. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can already see the box. Alrighty, let me take the box out. Oh, this is deep. Okay. Okay. So I took the box and then let me just move the other box out the way. See if I can get this out the way without shaking the camera. Okay. Okay. Okay, everybody. So as you can see right here, I picked up this beauty right here from I think it's Lanvin. I don't speak French, but I think it's called Lanvin or Lanvin. It's one of those things, one of those names. Anyway, so you guys know, just a quick story time. So you guys know when I did my come spend the day with me at Rodeo Drive, I did insert a lot of videos because I was in the store, the Lanvin store, and I was just so excited about the bag. So obviously I had to pick up a bag, and I probably you guys probably already know what bag this is, but not the color that you think it might be. Okay, so without any further ado, let's open it up and let's see. So this is my very first piece from this brand, and this is the only bag that I was actually ever interested in this company. So let's get the bag out, and the box is pretty. I love the fact it has that like kind of like a light blue. That's my favorite color, so it definitely went brownie points. So 3, 2, 1. And the dust bag is very sturdy. It's like it's made with like cotton or something, but it's really sturdy. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So I did pick up this beautiful. This is the pencil cap bag. I did put in that vlog that this bag was just so beautiful, and it was everything that is supposed to be. Like this bag, honestly, oh my god, I love it. I love the detail. And so this is how you open it right here, and I love the fact that on the front it looked like it's a mother and a child or something. I'm not sure if it's really a mother or child, or I don't know what it is, but I love the symbol on the front. So you open it like that, and this is how you open the bag. And it does come with a strap, but it's not really a long strap. I think the newer ones are starting to come with a longer strap, but this is a shoulder strap, but you definitely cannot crossbody this. So if you wanted a crossbody strap, you might have to buy like a third party strap, but this is shoulder bag. So you see it has the company's name right here, Lanvin, and then you got it right here, as you can see, and then you got the little strap, and then inside you have, let's see, so you got the tag right here. So this is what it is, just a reference of the bag. Okay, you got the tag, and then it tells you. So even though it has red, I think this is like the pink one, so it says pencil box pencil box bag with cat handle, bright pink. So this is the bright pink one, and this is what the retail price was for it. But if you guys have been around my channel, you know I didn't pay that. So I definitely did not pay retail, even though I got it from the store. But the thing is that, like I stated in my video, Spend the Day with Me, I did have to order this because I think maybe this color is discontinued, because the store manager did say that I think it was like only 4 or 5 that was still available. So when I ordered, I think he brought it down to 2 or 3, because he did place some order for his existing customers. So the quick story time behind this bag, I went into the store without really having any indication or anything that I wanted to buy anything, but I definitely did want to go. I definitely wanted to see this bag in person, because I have done another video of like bags that I would steal from other YouTubers, and Ramona May, something like that. She has a lot of these bags, and I said that's one of the bags that I would steal. And so this bag, I first heard about this company from Politics and Fashion. She had did a up and coming brands to know video, and she definitely talked about this is where I actually knew about this brand. And then when I started doing research on YouTube, I found out that Ramona has a lot of this, and she loved this company. So I end up seeing more of this bag on her channel as well. But so anyway, so I definitely wanted to actually go into the store and take a look at it to see, because a lot of times bags look very pretty in pictures and everything, and then you go see it and it doesn't give you that fuzzy warm feeling, right? So I definitely wanted to go see this bag in person to see, did I really like it, or was it just kind of like a situation where it's like, oh well, it's nice and everything, but I really don't care for it, right? So when I went into the store, oh my god, guys, I was blown away, because you guys saw that I had the black one that I was holding. They had a special edition, I think it's with Future or something like that. I really didn't care for it. It was the smaller one, but then I held the regular size, which was the black one, the big size, which is what this is. I held that, guys, and I fell in love. So anyway, I was actually about to head out, and I took the manager's number. I was like, hey, can I get your number, so just in case if I wanted to order the bag in the future. So we were talking and everything, and then he literally like showed me on his phone. He was like, hey, listen, I'm not sure if you want to buy now or what it is, but this color, he's like, this color is on sale for 40% off, guys. Yes, you hear me. 40% off retail. I already showed you what the retail price is. I definitely did not pay that. So when he told me that, I literally had to pull the plug, because the other place that I was looking at probably ordering this bag is a Satire, and they had it at almost like the 40% mark. So, but I didn't have to pay like, any additional thing. And obviously it's coming from the company in itself. So I have a history now with the company, but I was going to order it from Satire, because Satire, as you guys know, they, I think they're like kind of like that gray market where they order overseas, but they're not associated with the companies. So anyway, so that's why I was going to order it, because I've been putting a whole bunch of favorite likes on this bag on that website. So when he told me it was 40% off, I was like, it makes perfect sense for me to just get it through the retail itself. So I got this retail bag for 40% off, just because I think this color, they're discontinuing this color because they're bringing newer color into the collection, into the season. But guys, I couldn't be any more happier. Look at the detail. Look at the little feet. It has 4 feet on the back, on the bottom. Let's just admire this beauty after my story time. So yes, I did get it 40% off, but you got the 4 feet. You got the it's like the D ring right here, and then you got another one right here. So it's 2 D rings. And you got one right here on this end, and it looked like the leather. It's time frame. The leather move with the D ring, which is just so pretty. So you can put it down like this, or it actually moved with it, like you can see right here. And then this one is the same thing. The leather move with the D ring, but then this has this additional D ring right here. And then, as I said, this is how you open the bag, and you pull it up, and it's just a big old open space with one pocket right here on the back, and it said Lanvin, one of those. So it just have that little pocket right here and then the emboss in there, and that's really it. It doesn't really have any other spaces, so it's just a big old open space right here. And a lot of people have been saying that this bag actually gained even more notice. It actually came more mainstream after they were featured on Sex and the City, the reboot. So a lot of people actually gravitate to try to learn about this bag, and it has been sold out for so long. Like, it comes in and out. But guys, I am just so happy. This bag is not an everyday bag. It's one of those special piece bags that I'm already know that it's not an everyday bag for me, but I don't mind it. I really do not mind it. I just love how the detail is. The detail is just so beautiful, like how you open this right here. So it looks like it is a mother and child. I'm not sure. I'll probably put more detail on the screen once I know what the logo is on the front. But this is the cat right here. And the manager was giving me a little bit of history about this cat and how it was like kind of like a piece that was spread out on the owners, the founders apartment or something like that. So, but the history is very rich, it's very beautiful. I love it. I love it. But this is a smooth leather, so it's not grain leather like I usually love. But everything about this bag is just so beautiful. So this is my unboxing of my Lanvin pencil box bag with the cat handle. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day.